Hello everyone, let us try to determine the average value of this waveform. This is a square wave waveform in which it has different peak value, namely Vm1 and negative Vm2. So if you're going to solve for that, so we have the V average, which is equals to the average value of this positive cycle and the negative cycle. The V average of for M1, let's say that is Vm prime, M sub 1 and Vm2 prime. So the average of this one, we are to get that. Now let us set up the equation. So the equation will goes like this: V average. But since that we have to represent this waveform into an equation, so that is actually Vm1 and Vm2, but we are to get the area within this border of our figure, so it will become 1 over t, since that we are dealing with t over 2 and a t over 2 which is 1 period. Okay, so that is 1 over t, and the integration of v sub m1 for the area here, that is from this point 0 to t over 2. Okay, so plus the integration of Vm2, in which this is negative. So this is from t over 2 to t. This t and this is t over 2. So this is with respect to t. So that is how we represent the equation of this square waveform. Now let us try to simplify things here. Okay, so again, I'm just copying it, 1 over t. So the integration of this one with respect to t, you just integrate this one, but we are to place this outside, so let us integrate individually each term. So we can just rewrite this one, 0 t over 2 Vm1 dt, negative because that is negative, so this is Vm2 dt. This is from t to t over 2, and then integrate each term. So we have here for the first term Vm1 over t, I just place it outside, so the integration of dt is t, so this will be t. So this is from 0 to t over 2, and minus again, actually since that this is separated each term, so therefore 1 over t will also be here. It's also 1 over t because this will be distributed. For this term, that is Vm sub t over t. The integration of dt is t, so that t over 2 and t. We substitute each definite values of the integrals from each point. So for this term, that is Vm1 over t, substitute it, so that is t over 2, and for 0, that is minus 0. And for this term, you have Vm2 over t, substitute it here the big letter t, and subtracted to the t over 2. So that's it. Let's simplify further. So for this term, it will be cancelled out, and Vm1 over 2 remains because 0 makes everything 0. Okay. And for this part also, you multiply that one, and you multiply that one also. The best thing to do is to simplify t minus t over 2. So t minus t over 2 is equals to actually 2t minus t over 2. Okay, so let's keep it further simplified. Vm sub 1 over 2 minus Vm2. So t, 2t minus t, that is t, and over 2. So that's it. So what remains is 1/2 Vm sub 1 minus Vm2. So actually, this is the V average. This will be your answer. Okay? So that's it.